In this video, I'll show you how to change the internal battery in a Hyundai Palisade key fob. This key fob was used starting in 2020 and uses a CR2032 battery. Whether your key fob has 4 buttons like this one does, or 5, or 6, it's the same procedure as long as it's this one with the kind of rubber grip on the side, the light on the top. It's all the same procedure, same battery, so just follow along and we'll have a new battery in no time. If you'd like to get one of these online, I'll leave a link in the description. To get one on Amazon, they're just a few dollars. First thing, flip over to the back of the key fob and push this lever up to remove the internal key. Now, with the back still facing up, I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver, insert it into this slot. As you can see, there's the keyhole. You can get the light on it. There is this keyhole, and then on the other side there's the slot. We're going to put our tool into that slot and turn in a clockwise motion to just get a little bit, turn like that to get a little separation, and then we can work our way down, twisting until the two halves come apart. Here's our CR2032 battery. What we're going to do is gently push on the bottom of the battery until we have freed the battery from its housing. Now take a new CR2032 battery, make sure the positive side with this text and information is facing up, just like this, and push it down into place into this metal housing. Once it's secure, all that's left is to click the two halves of the key fob back together, just like that. Return our key, and you're good to go. Your light should come on, showing you that your battery has juice, and that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to leave a like, and for more information, click the link in the description to go to fobbattery.com to see the whole Hyundai Palisade tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.